The major assignment in 582 is to compile an annotated bibliography, and with that you're also going to be putting together what I refer to as a matrix and then a reference list. This big project that we'll work on for the rest of the summer is also going to then translate into writing your literature review this fall. As you've started to look through the existing research papers that are on our website, and as you're starting to read research, you'll notice that all of those studies begin with what's called a literature review, where you're going to look at what else has already been said about the topic, and you're going to try and build forward from the existing literature into your study. So you can see in this one where other literature has been referenced. So this assignment, again, we'll have multiple parts. You can view the schedule here, and I'll talk through it as well with you as we go through the course. And I'll try and explain each part. The first part that I'm going to explain is what the matrix is. And if you move down here, you'll see that at the end of the summer, you're going to have a total of at least 12 high-quality resources on your topic. They'll be peer-reviewed, scholarly, recent, credible sources that you've read about your particular topic. 2 of them have to be qualitative studies, 2 of them have to be quantitative studies, 2 are going to be mixed methods, and a total of 8 need to be research studies. And so what that means, if you look at the example matrix, is over on the left-hand side, you will see the individual articles I read about gender, technology, and instructional leadership. Each article was not about the whole topic necessarily, but it was other work that gives me a foundation for what do we already know about this. And for each article, you're going to decide, is it a qualitative study? Is it a mixed method study? Is it quantitative? Or is it a report, opinion, or book? And it's fine to use some reports, opinions, or books, but given that we're in a research methods class, some of them have to be research method studies. So at the end of this summer, you're going to build this over the next month. At the end of this summer, you'll have an alphabetical list in your matrix, and you will have listed what type of study each of your articles is. So you'll continue to add to this as we go through. I've given you a blank matrix to make it easy for you, and you can start to fill it in. And you can see then here what needs to happen as you're building this and sort of the associated points. So that's the matrix portion of the matrix reference list, article reviews, and annotated bibliography, the major project for this class.